Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the shake and blur animation transition tutorial in CapCut. So I've already add 3 clips to my CapCut, and I'm going to add this shake and blur transitions. So first, you need to go to the second video and go to animation, choose in, and then select the shake. Okay, I'm going to add the shake one here, and I'm going to set it into 0.6 seconds. Click on a check icon. Then after that, go to video effects and then select the nightclub and then choose shake. You can adjust it into your liking. I'm going to adjust the speed to only, I think, the intensity 15, and also the speed 8 or 7, and then click on a check icon, adjust it into as short as possible. I'm going to go like that. Then after that, add another effect. So this time add the slanted blur. So go to opening and closing and find the slanted blur. Okay, this one's right here. Click on a check icon, then adjust the size the same as the first effect. Then after that, copy the effect and place it for the next video. Like this, and also the second effect. Then after that, click on the last clip. I'm going to click on the last clip animation and find the shake animation. Then you are done with the shake and blur transition. So here is the result. Okay, so that's all from me, but if you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, and subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.